Oh, shuffle forward.
You can take the mask off as well.
Could do. Not very safe.
Fine, put my life at risk.
Right.
YouTube channel.
What else is there?
We need you to write that blog post for being out there.
Oh god, yeah. Blog post being out there. Huh! If, like me, you've got a never-ending list of things to do, post-it notes all over the shop, you want to get clear on one thing. You are going to die with a full to-do list. Yeah, just sit with that for a moment. You are going to die with a full to-do list. You're going to be 6 feet under and you're going to leave a legacy of undone tasks, things that you didn't complete. So just be with that for a moment. And there you are imagining the day where you found the perfect tool, the perfect system, and all of your things to do are going to be neat and tidy and complete. It's not happening. I don't know if I mentioned it, but you're going to die with a full to-do list. And that's okay. You see, you're caught up in the deadly distinction of having done rather than the doing. And another thing that we need to get absolutely clear on, it's you that is adding things to your to-do list. It's you that can't bear the idea of having completed everything. That's kind of weird, isn't it? Just sit with that for a moment. Like, you are creating the chaos that you're then having to deal with. If you had nothing on your to-do list, you'd be terrified. You'd probably think you were dead. So to help us with all this deathbed talk, we have what we call the allowing polarity.
Allowing is a key distinction in the Make Happen method. When we allow things to be, rather than fight them or try to change them, they paradoxically lose their grip. Using the allowing polarity sentence, I allow myself to X as much as I do, and I allow myself to the opposite of X as much as I do, we can quickly neutralise a frame that is running us. By frame, we mean a broad description through which we are seeing life. For example, let's take the frame procrastination. Simply saying the phrase, I allow myself to procrastinate as much as I do, and I allow myself to finish things as much as I do, is much more effective than saying I'm going to stop procrastinating. The allowing polarity takes us closer to reality. Nobody is one particular way all the time, and there are always examples in our lives of the opposite of a particular frame. So take a quality about yourself you are resisting, and instead allow it to be, through the allowing polarity. This has much more impact if you say it out loud and repeat it a few times until you are really allowing both sides of the polarity.
So how can we make use of the allowing polarity in this whole world of things to do and overwhelmed with busyness? On face value, this is all a bit weird and you're going to think, oh, I'm not doing that, but give it a try, bear with me. So the allowing polarity goes something like this. I allow myself to want everything done as much as I do, and I allow myself to want to be busy as much as I do. Now notice here we're dealing with both ends. This is why it's a polarity. We're dealing with the fact that you want everything done, but also the fact that to some extent you want to be busy. And as we start to allow both of these things, then we start to have some choices about where we go forward. So read this sentence out loud. We're going to leave it on the screen for a moment. Say it a few times until you're really comfortable. I allow myself to want everything done as much as I do, and I allow myself to want to be busy as much as I do. Over to you. Okay, now great, now go and get on with something. Subscribe before you do. No. I allow myself to subscribe to this channel as much as I do, and I allow myself to subscribe to this channel as much as I do. Now go and get on with something. I mean, that was brilliant, but yeah, we could do some fake outtakes.
Outtakes.
Fat takes. Fout takes. We have what we call the allowing. Put on my shoulder. Okay. So try and say.